Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Cudoo for specialized language learning, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy Cudoo for specialized language learning, start by accessing the Cudoo website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the courses section to explore available language programs. Select the specialized language course that suits your needs. Review the course details, including the curriculum, duration, and outcomes. Click on the enrollment button to add the course to your account. Proceed to the payments section to complete your purchase securely. Once enrolled, access the course dashboard from your account. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, including lesson plans and progress tracking tools. Begin your first lesson by clicking on the designated module. Engage with the multimedia resources available, such as videos, quizzes, and interactive exercises. Take notes during your learning sessions to reinforce new vocabulary and concepts. Set a study schedule to ensure consistent progress throughout the course. Utilize the community support features to connect with fellow learners and instructors. Monitor your progress regularly through the dashboard analytics. Adjust your learning strategies based on areas where you feel less confident. Complete all assignments and assessments to ensure you grasp the material fully. Seek additional resources within Cudoo's library for deeper understanding if necessary. After completing the course, reflect on your learning outcomes and apply them in practical contexts. Consider pursuing further specialized languages or advanced courses offered by Cudoo. Stay engaged with the platform to continually enhance your language skills over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.